Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in the Pacific Northwest in Eugene, Oregon, home of Commercial Dehydrator systems. Dating back to 1911, Dryer.com has been making giant commercial dehydrators at the same Eugene location. Now, 2 manufacturing lines with nearly 42,000 square feet of capacity add to Dryer.com's more than 1,000 installed commercial dryers in more than 25 countries. The key to Dryer.com's success is the mastery and use of superior air velocity, along with humidity and temperature control. During World War II, the U.S. government chose Dryer.com through an act of Congress to place 1,000 dryers around the country to preserve food for the war effort. Dryer.com was selected for the task because they were the only dehydrators that could dry using air as cold as the Great Lakes in the winter and as humid as the southern states in summer. Dryer.com's experienced design team primarily focuses on versatile tray tunnel dryers, with belt, bin, and other custom dryer operations used in automated mass production. They're the first to reverse air evenly, allowing for a perfectly even batch dry. They also provide the ancillary support equipment before and after drying to prevent bottlenecks in production and make projects turnkey. Durably built with U.S. steel, they are also smart machines with the latest technologies and energy efficiencies, saving many times their cost in energy savings over their long, reliable life. Using more than a century of experience in the business of drying every imaginable product, Dryer.com will find a solution for any of your drying needs. Come to Eugene or visit them at Dryer.com. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.